Can you actually put a hot tub in a sunroom, or is that a disaster waiting to happen? A lot of homeowners love the idea, but here's the thing. Most people don't realize a hot tub inside a sunroom can either work beautifully or create serious problems with lots of stuff. Moisture, flooring, ventilation, even structural support. Imagine the sunroom just falling right apart because your hot tub crushed it. Hi, I'm Mark Williams, National Sunroom Project Manager at Joyce. In this video, we're breaking down the biggest things you need to know if you're thinking of putting a hot tub in your sunroom, including what works, what doesn't, and how to avoid expensive mistakes. First, let's talk about the biggest concern, humidity. Hot tubs create a lot of moisture, water everywhere. In an enclosed space, that humidity can cause a lot of problems over time, including moisture, mildew, mold, warped materials, and damaged windows, walls, ceilings, you name it. That doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means ventilation is critical. You may need things like operable windows, ceiling vents, exhaust fans, or even a dehumidifier, depending on the size of the room and how often you use your hot tub. The next thing to think about is your flooring and your structure. A filled hot tub is very heavy. We're talking thousands of pounds once you add water and people. Not every sunroom or enclosed patio was designed to handle that kind of weight, and that's why it's important to make sure the foundation is structurally capable of supporting the load safely. And don't forget about the water on the floor. Even if you're careful, splashing's unavoidable. So materials matter. Tile, concrete, or water-resistant flooring tends to perform much better than carpet or traditional wood flooring in these environments. And finally, it's important to think long-term. Can the hot tub actually fit through the doors and openings? Can it eventually be removed if it needs replacement years down the road? Is there enough room for maintenance and access around your hot tub? These details are easy to overlook in the excitement of the project, but they matter a lot later. At the end of the day, yes, you can put a hot tub in a sunroom, but the success of the project really comes down to the perfect combination of planning, ventilation, structural support, and choosing the right type of space for it. If you're thinking about upgrading your home with a sunroom or an enclosed outdoor space, working with experienced professionals can help you avoid costly surprises and design a room that actually fits the way you want to live. Visit joycefactorydirect.com and book your free consultation today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks.